Hello everyone, everything good? Our Sealaser Insta app has just been updated and is working perfectly. Let's use our system to report an Instagram account until it becomes unavailable to everyone, okay? First I will log into the application. Remember, when purchasing the application you use the email you received when downloading the application to log in. After purchase your access is automatically registered. In this case, your email. Our system has an updated server, delays and bugs have been fixed. When you successfully log into the application, you will have the function to take down a specific story and the function to take down a profile. I chose the function to report a profile. Now you or I must go to your Instagram and choose your target, in this case the victim you want to report. Remembering that we will only need the username. The username must be filled in correctly as requested without spaces, without e-session. As you can see, this user Egermeton will be the victim. I will use our Sealaser tool to make this account unavailable to everyone on Instagram. I ask you to watch until the end and without skipping to see that the tool really works. With this new update, the ban is 100% guaranteed, okay? You can do it without fear. You can copy and paste your target's username or type normally as requested. I will copy the username of the Instagram account, which we will make unavailable to everyone. You can see that there was a bug in the name. My target's username was bugged big and bold, so I'm going to delete everything and type my target's name normally. Here in the number of proxies field I will only enter 200. To make a verified account with up to 10,000 followers unavailable to everyone, you need 1,000 to 5,000 proxies. But as this account is a normal account with almost 2,000 followers, I will only use 200. After filling out everything correctly, just click on Report. Below you can see that all reports being sent are operating successfully. The application will notify you when the account drops or becomes unavailable to everyone.
Caindo do céu igual purpurina. Essa mina nação não se precifica. Eu já falei que de todas as minas.
The app is already signaling that my target's Instagram account is now unavailable to everyone, in which case it has crashed. Now all the reports that are being sent, the application is identifying as failures because the account is already unavailable and offline. Now let's go back to Instagram and check if the account is really unavailable. Let's refresh the page. My victim's account actually went down. The account is unavailable. So that's it. The app link is in the pinned comment or in the description. Thank you all.